Hello everyone. Today in this video I'll be showing you guys how you can delete national holiday events on your iPhone's calendar. So for that, open your calendar, and as you can see there are a lot of events from here and here. It's filled with events. So I just want my calendar to get rid of these events, alright? So how can I do it? In order to do it, you need to open your calendars from here. And as you can see, in your other section, it says holidays. So in your case, it might be US holidays, or it might be Canada holidays, it might be Australia. For me, it's this. All right. So what you need to do is just uncheck this. After unchecking this, press the done button, and as you can see the holidays has disappeared from your calendar events. So yeah, that's how you remove your national holidays from your calendar.